So I put the computer back into the system here, and it's over on this side. You can see the computer down here at the bottom, and is that Tormac computer. So I hooked that back up to the video monitor. I found out it had a bad wire in it, so I replaced the wire. So now it shows on the screen. But anyway, so with that on, I come up to the machine, and the proper sequence is, you have the computer installed. When you shut it off, you make sure you shut off the machine first, and then you shut off the computer, and you can come back and turn it back on. So supposedly, if we got this on shut off from when you shut off the machine, you turn the computer on, and if you do that, that is powered. That switch is wired to the GMI circuit. So the computer and the screen are on the GMI circuit there, and that switch up there turns it on. So that's the last thing you turn off when you shut off the machine. So I come down here and turn the computer on. The screen's already on. They're both wired to that GMI, as I said. So anyway, so the screen comes up, normal computer here. I got a CMOS battery I got to replace on the computer board. But it's just a little $3 flat battery that pops into the board. But I mean, the computer works without it. It's just for backup memory. Anyway, here's a typical Tormac screen that comes up like I showed you in the when it was in the computer room. And it comes up, tells me that the automatic tool changer is not hooked up, which I haven't been using. You just shut this off here. I got the touch control down here. I got also another, if you want to bring in a program, you can just pop it in here. You can load it into the computer. So this just comes up to the standard screen. Up here you can go back in and find all your files that you've uploaded. But if you just go looking for the G code, here's all the files in the computer. Here's some programs I've had for what we were using it for, personalization stuff. Okay, but anyway, so let's see, if we go back and what I do, when it first comes up, you've got your reset, so you just reset that, and then you come down here and you clear the external stop, and you reset it. Now the external stop is still going, so when I do this, start up the run, I will take off the external stop, red button up there, and turn it on. Okay, lastly, what I do is I come out here, and there's an automatic oiler system on this, as well as, like I said, the automatic tool change, and then also we have in here the pull. So you can hook up your air pressure, and it automatically will lock the spindle and unlock the spindle when you put the tool in. Let's see. What else? Okay, so anyway, so what I do is I turn on the computer, and that turns on the machine, so now you got power to the machine, and you'll have the computer control will be controlling it. You press that, the power comes on. Okay, so you can hear the motor starting up. Go down here, you've taken the set off now. You clear that, the machine is now green, ready to go. You clear the limit switch. Now you're ready to put in your program. You can load your program, bring it in here. Or what I do is I just generally, the machine's zeroed out here, and then I will take it up to a, let's see. And it's supposed to be zeroed out. I don't know why I didn't zero it. Okay, anyway, so zero it. You can see it's down here at 0, 0, 0. I'm going to take it up to 16 inch across the bed. I'm starting it at an inch, and it can go another 3/4 of an inch beyond. In the x-axis, I think it's a total of 19, but I started at 1, and I go out to 16, and then I take Z from here, and it can go up to, I think, 17 clearance, but I take it up to 10. And then I go over to the y-axis, and again, I think it's 9 depth, but I just go from this 1 inch in, out 7 inches, and I just make that as I oil it. So let's see, take it here, X, what did I say, 16, Y, 7, and Z, go up 10. Okay. So. Usually I do that in the MDI mode, but let's see. Oh, I also forgot to change the feed. The feed defaults at 6, so it's going to take quite a while, about 3 minutes or so. But anyway, so I just press this down here. Oh, you gotta have the spindle on. So you come over here, you turn the spindle on, power on, and then with that, let's see, start it. You can see the spindle spinning now, hear it. Turns the oiler on, and you just press the oiler. Yeah, it's going up, okay? So now, what you do is keep it like going. And you can see, since this is going to 10, 27% of the way, as it's going up to 10. No. Anyway, just keep on pressing on the oiler here. I do it at certain intervals. Now the spindle, you can shut it off, and then you can reverse it, start it again. Here's where the high-speed spindle goes. I don't have the air line hooked up. You know, I could do the pull for the tool loader. About halfway there. I think I can turn this on. I think this shuts the program off. Change it to 30. No, can't do it on the fly. Okay, 64%. Next time I'll do it at like 32 or something. A little bit faster. But I get it when I get it close to the top. Like I said, I do this 3 or 4 times. Doing the oil. Do it at the bottom. And 75, 78% up there. And then I'll do it the last 10% from 9 to 10. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so that's basically it. Stop this. Well, let's see. Like I said, that's the maximum speed, but they do have a, I have the high-speed spindle holder. All right, it's got the coolant also set up. I don't know what else I can show you. Like I said, I got a lot of tool holders down here and everything. Got the different taper shanks on it. Okay, let's see, let's speed it up. Got it at 30. Let's go back to 0. X, 0, Y, oh, not 0, not O, 0, yeah, Z, 0, okay. Let's see, okay, I'll let that go back. I'll try to oil it on the way down also. Let's see, okay, so let's go enter. 0, 0, 0. Oh, I gotta have the spindle going. And going at 30. I'm just holding it. Don't have too much oil. I'm dripping all over it. Maybe the last 25%. Okay. Like I said, it can go another inch over that way, forward, back, or another, the table will go another inch this way, back, and the spindle will come down another 3 inches or so. Okay.